I was just dancing. But it's really hot outside. I wish I could take a break. Well, no time for breaks when you're dancing. Do you see that? Whoa, it's a popsicle cart, and I love popsicles. I think you and I should get a popsicle. Let's go. Hey!
Hi, Blippi.
How are you? What's your name?
I'm Julia.
Cool.
Would you like a handmade popsicle?
Yeah, I love popsicles. What flavor do you have?
This is cha-cha-cha. It's mango, pineapple, and chia seed.
Ooh, that sounds so yummy. Mango, pineapple, and chia seeds. That is so yummy!
Yay, glad you like it. Do you want to come see how they're made?
Yeah, that would be so much fun. Let's go.
Let's go. Welcome to my kitchen.
Wow, look at this place. It's so cool.
Thanks. Now, first thing, you need to gear up.
Oh, check it out. This is an apron. Here we go. Wow. Okay, well, what do we have here?
So these are all the ingredients we use to make our popsicles.
Ooh, it looks like a bunch of fruit and vegetables.
Yep, you got it. We actually use a lot of superfoods in our popsicles. So you'll see kale and avocado and spinach and chia seeds.
What's this?
This is a coconut.
Wow, that's cool. A coconut. Cool. Well, what flavor are we making?
I thought we could make Popeye.
Popeye? Yeah, all right.
That's why I call it Popeye.
I don't know. Why?
I use spinach.
Okay.
So here you go, hold the spinach. I was making a batch earlier, so I thought we could just add to it.
Okay, so here's some spinach, and what do you have?
Strawberries.
Strawberries.
And to sweeten it, we use dates.
Ooh, dates. All right.
Come on back.
Okay.
So here's the batch I was working on earlier.
Oh, look at it.
All right.
Oh, that looks yummy.
Go ahead, let's add it in.
Okay. Bye-bye, spinach.
And then here are some strawberries.
Ooh.
And dates.
Yum.
Now, what might be different about your kitchen is we have some big equipment we use here.
Really? I'm excited. Whoa, look at that. That thing is massive. What does that thing do?
This is our immersion blender.
Wow.
So you put it in.
Whoa.
You hit the button.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
There you go.
So that just blends it up into a liquid?
It sure does.
Wow, that looks so yummy. Well, now what do we do?
Now we're gonna put it in our molds.
Okay.
And I'm gonna get my trusty pitcher.
Ooh.
All right.
So it's basically 3 ingredients all blended up to make one yummy tasting liquid.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour it in.
Oh.
And then you kind of just have to feed it through.
Shake it around.
Yeah.
May I?
Of course.
Okay. Oh, here's some more. Whoa!
We got some chunky ones in there.
That's okay. There's some more.
Okay. And then next what we need to do is, we'll just put in our sticks.
Ooh. Yeah, like a popsicle stick. Have you ever eaten a popsicle and you hold on to the piece of wood? Yeah, that's what we just put in there.
So it makes them so handy.
Okay.
And now we put it into our extra special popsicle machine.
Whoa, what does this thing do?
It makes it super cold. It freezes a popsicle in 18 minutes.
Wow, I'm so excited. I sure do love popsicles. Hey, check it out.
Let's put it in.
Whoa, so is that just really cold in there?
Yes, it's actually made out of a special popsicle freezing liquid.
Whoa,
I can't tell you all my secrets.
Well, maybe for later. Well, now what do we do?
Well, usually when I wait for popsicles to freeze, I like to dance.
Okay, let's go! Woohoo! Does that mean it's done?
Sure does.
Oh!
Alright, let's shake off that good popsicle liquid.
Okay.
Let it dry.
All right.
I'm gonna grab this towel so we don't slip on it. That'll make a fun dance move.
Yeah.
We have to put it in the liquid.
Okay, and what does that do?
It kind of softens it up so it comes right out. Oop, lost one. And there they are.
Those look so yummy. I am so excited.
Go ahead, try one.
Okay, how about this one? Wow. Yum. That is so yummy. Yum.
That reminds me, I gotta go back out and sell more popsicles.
Okay, well,
Do you think you could watch the kitchen for me? Feel free to make your own flavor.
make our own flavor? That sounds like fun.
See you, Blippi.
Thanks for showing us around.
No problem.
Did you hear that? You and I get to make our very own Blippi flavor. Let's do this. Woohoo! Did you hear that? All right, you and I get to make our very own flavor, and I am so excited. All right, let's see what we have to work with. All right, you know what kind of fruit this is, right? Yeah, this is an apple. Okay, looks like we have some grapes. Yum! Ooh, what are these? Check these out. Yeah, these are lemons. Lemons are the color yellow. Wow, and then we have some greens over here. Whoa, spinach. Wow. Whoa! Hello! It's like hair. Whoa, whoa! This is kale, and kale is really yummy. And it doesn't like containers. That's silly. Okay, let's put these back in here so then we can continue to see what type of fruits and vegetables we have. Like this. Whoa! This is so heavy. Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Yeah! This is a watermelon, and watermelons are so big and yummy. Do you know what color is on the inside of the watermelon? Yeah, red, and the outside is green. Okay, just a couple more. Bananas and pineapple. Yum! Okay, so you can see we have this big bucket right here, and we need to put a lot of the ingredients right in here. Can't forget about the strawberries. We'll start with those. Here we go! Woohoo! Okay, that kale. Whoa! Let's put some in there. We're doing so good. Oh, apples. Okay, we could put the whole apple in there, but I think we should probably slice it. Have you ever had a slice of an apple? They're so yummy. Okay, here is our red apple slicer. And then put it right in the center, just like that. And then you push down. Whoa, look at that. That is awesome. Slice the apples, so then you pull them out, and then you can put them right in our big bucket. Wow. And you keep the core, you keep the core, which is the center, out of it, because there's a lot of seeds in there. Oh, speaking of seeds, watermelons have seeds. Okay, let's cut open the watermelon. Whoa. I'm gonna be very careful because I'm a grown-up with this knife. Ready? Okay, here we go. Chop it in half, just like that. Flip it around. Wow, look at that. That looks so yummy. Our popsicles are gonna be so yummy. Okay, I have an idea. Here we go! All right, we have some bananas. Open those up. Here we go. Bye-bye, banana. Woohoo! And we'll do another banana. Yum! Here we go! Yum! Look at it. Is that looking tasty or does that look tasty? Whoa! And remember, we learned what fruit this is. Yeah, the coconut. All right, these are a little tricky to open, but it's worth the trouble. So let's take the coconut opener. Whoa, we did it! Look at that. Whoa. Wow! Look at all that liquid! I just want to drink it all up. Oh, okay, we'll put that in the bucket for the popsicles! Whoa! Oh, yum! Okay, let's use this little coconut device and pull out some of the coconut meat. Yeah, right in there. Ooh, yummy! There we go. All right, perfect. Let's bring it right over here. Yum! All right. Oh, spinach right here. Woohoo! And then we have a bunch of grapes. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 grapes. All right. And then remember these? We used these earlier. These are dates. Here we go. Whoa! Okay, can't forget about the lemons. We have so many types of fruits and vegetables in here. Here we go. Wow. Okay, let's take these and give a little squeeze. Woohoo! Have you ever tasted a lemon before? Okay, let's try some. Whoa! Whoa! That's sour. Okay, let's wash our hands. And then last but not least, we have a pineapple. We cut the pineapple just like that. And you see that yellow? That looks so yummy. So now we take this pineapple tool, put it right on top, and then give it a little twist. Wow, look at that. And then you pull it out. Whoa, check that out. And then take it off, just like this. And that's gonna give it some nice sweetness to these yummy popsicles. All right, I think that's plenty. Look at, whoa, that's so heavy. Come on back here. Remember that next step that we do? Yeah, she taught us that you put the bucket, whoa, right here. You take the big blender, whoa, whoa, and we blend it up. Here we go. Whoa! All right, now it's all mixed up. Wait a second though. We need the magic tool. This is a giant whisk. Woohoo! Check this out. Alrighty, it's adding some color. Okay, let's put this right over here, and then we can bring this up and grab this pitcher. Remember from earlier? We need to scoop some out Oh, I am so excited. Pour some in. Let's grab another scoop. Okay, here we go. Okay. Whoa! All right, I think that's plenty. So let's give it a shake. Okay. Yes, these are gonna be so yummy. And let's take these sticks. Wow, that's a lot of popsicle sticks. Put them right in there. Oh, perfect. Okay, now we need to bring it to the cooling station. Here we go. Set it down. Woo, we did it. All right, now remember what we had to do earlier? It's gonna take a long time. So we get a dance while we wait.
Did I just hear a ding?
Oh, you sure did. The popsicles must be ready.
Let's check them out.
Woohoo!
All right.
Whoa, I am so excited. Hey, we gotta drain them.
I can't wait to see the ingredients you used.
Oh, me too. Whoa.
Nice
they
and
come.
loose.
Whoa! Look at them! Whoa! My two favorite colors. Yeah! Check them out. Blue and orange. Shall we try them?
Yeah.
Do you like them?
These are delicious, Blippi. You know what? You need to take those outside and go sell some pops.
Awesome. All right, let's go sell some popsicles. Popsicles, popsicles. Who wants a popsicle? I love popsicles, and that was so much fun learning about how to make popsicles with you at Mom and Pop Shop in Costa Mesa, California. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job! Well, see you later!